Wala kaming external hiring ngayon for Amazon PPC. However, may naisip ako that usually, nakakalimutan na ng mga freelancers. Kung matagal ka ng freelancer, siguro isa ka rin sa mga ganito. Kasi ito yung isa sa problema ko, like, yung businesses ng clients ko, maayos silang lahat. Pero pagdating sa personal ko na negosyo, ang kalat, walang streamlined na process. Alam mo yun, dumadating talaga sa point na pati ako hindi ako naniniwala na ito ba talaga yung ginagawa ko para sa client, samantalang sa sarili ko negosyo, kalat? So, if you know how to run ads, kasi yung mga hindi familiar, PPC is running ads, media buying, type siya ng media buying. What if you create a landing page and then you run your own ads na ang tina-target is yung mga prospects or clients mo? What if lang? So, win-win to kasi number one, you'd be able to showcase kung gaano ka kagaling mag-run ng ads, mag-set up ng ads and all that. Plus, pag may nakakita na client ng ads mo, possible pa na makapag-set ka ng discovery call. So that's another way for you to avoid yung pagbabayad pa sa mga platforms or pag-join sa mga agencies na mabababa yung bayad. Naisip ko lang yun. Ngayon lang naman. Sige, papasok na ako sa meeting. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to learn how to run ads, become a media buying or PPC specialist, we have a class that's called PPC Virtual Assistance and it comes with internship. The next class would be on June 21st and 22nd. 2 sessions to, 4 hours each class, 1 till 5 p.m. After that, you'd have 2 weeks of internship wherein you guys will be running ads. So you'd be able to put into practice everything that you've learned. If you guys want to join, 999 pesos lang siya. Click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Or kung nasa ibang platform kayo, i-check nyo yung comment section or caption. Nandun yung pinakang link. And then it would take you to the GigHub. Sa GigHub, under live mentorship, i-click nyo lang, 999 pesos lang yan. I-click nyo yan, pack. And it will take you to the form kung paano kayo makaka-join. Okay, sige, late na ako sa meeting. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from our work from home chismis. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!